Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be talking about our tank topper. We offer these color matched. This is what the kit includes. 2 gaskets on each side, hardware, and then your pop-up gas cap. The first thing you'll want to do is remove your seat. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your OEM tank dash using a 10mm socket and a 5/32 Allen. There's a bracket right here on the back. That'll take the 10mm socket, and then there is a screw up in the front by the key, and that's going to take your 5/32 Allen screw. This one up here, you might have to move your key so you can get to it. And then you want to go ahead and remove your OEM gas cap. On the underside, there's 2 clips that will be holding 2 wires and your overflow hose. So you just peel this back. This is your overflow hose and your breather hose. We can go ahead and remove that because our pop-up cap has a vent in it. So we're going to go ahead and reuse the OEM bracket on the bottom. So to take this off, you need a T25 torque socket. You go ahead and take these 2 screws off, and on the new one you replace them with the hardware. So again, you go ahead and discard these T25s. Alright, so you'll take your bracket, your OEM bracket, and then 2 of the supplied screws, and using a 1/8" Allen, you'll remount your OEM bracket to your new tank topper. After you have your OEM bracket installed on your tank topper, you want to go ahead and install your gaskets. Starting down here at the bottom, there's a little groove, they fit right in. And this is just going to protect your tank from any kind of rubbing that might happen. Now, using the supplied screw with the washer, this will go up in the front, and then you'll reuse your 10mm on the back to mount the bracket. So position the hole in the tank topper over the gas filler neck. And then take your 1/8" Allen screw and washer, sneak it up in here, and then reusing your 10mm screw, you'll mount the remount the bracket here. So now that you have it mounted, go ahead and take your pop-up gas cap and thread it in. It's tight. And then with 2 fingers, you can push it down and do about a 1/2 turn. And that's it. And then the last step is go ahead and reinstall your seat.